This is a bit older of an interface for the editor, but let's just look at the admin area. So basically when you're logged in, you can see all your tests, and some of them are from modules, some of them are from a folder that you can just put test into called bhat test, and some are from actually a GitHub repository, which you can add more of them here. Let's go edit this one here. It's inside of bbtest. Actually, we'll just make one. And so we'll just go here and make a quick test. You could do it with the drag and drop form type interface here, or you could just, in this case, I'm just going to click here to make a sample test. I could now run this on Sauce Labs. I could choose a URL to run it on, because you typically wouldn't have the URL in the test. And then I can choose the browser and OS. I'm going to take a moment and add this to the BBB test repo. It's going to redirect me there in my very slow internet, and now we're here editing this particular file. So we're actually editing on GitHub. If I was to go to the GitHub page and look, you would see the actual file we just made here. So let's go back to the editor, and we'll remove this donate one and we'll save it, and just give it a moment to save. And then when we go back to GitHub, we'll see that the donate to Wikipedia is gone. So it's really talking to the repo. Finally, we could say, okay, we're ready to run this. Of course, we wouldn't have the URL inside of the test, because you typically don't want to do that. I would say, hey, I want to run this on a Linux box with Chrome, and I would just click run. And so give it a moment to kick in as it connects to Sauce Labs. And eventually, it's a quick one. You could click watch video, but I'm not logged into Sauce Labs right now, so it would just show me a blank screen. But once it's done doing that, it will kick open the results, and it will also show that a link to the video, so I could watch it. Sorry, that alert was just because I'm not logged into Sauce Labs. So now it pulls in the video from the Sauce Labs API. We could download the video. We could, obviously we failed, and we could see the results of that test and other tests here that are populated. And that's about it for the usage of the tool here. It also does have an editor mode for when you don't want to really use the form tool, because it's easy to write these tests without using a form tool, and that's where you could just pop open the editor there.